When I want to factor a trinomial where the leading coefficient is greater than 1, here it's 5, one of the methods we can use is called the AC method or the ACB method. The AC method states that the coefficient of the first term times the constant on the end would have to equal B, which is the coefficient of the middle. So first I'm going to do 5 times minus 7. So A times C is minus 35. And B is simply the minus 34 from there. So the purpose of the AC method, I'm going to use 35. The factors of 35 here are going to be 1 times 35. I can keep going with the other factors, but I've already found the answer. This is going to be plus 1 and minus 35. And if I add these together, I get minus 34. And if I multiply these together, I get minus 35. So next thing we do is we're going to spread this out over here. I put the minus 7 and the 5x squared at the beginning here. And what I want to do is I want to break the minus 34 into using these two factors for the x terms. So I'm going to put plus 1x over here, close that, and I'm going to put minus 35x over here. And now I want to factor out any common factors here. So I can take an x out of both of these terms, so the x comes out. Once I do that, I just get 5x plus 1 inside. And we'll keep that inside. And if I've done this right, this one should factor the same way. So I'm going to take out a minus 7 over here. If I take out minus 7, then 35 divided by 7 is 5x. And it's positive. And minus 7 divided by minus 7 is going to be plus 1. So what I have inside for both of them, I have inside 5x plus 1. And then what's left on the outside, the x and the minus 7, which I've factored out, is the other term. So we're actually pretty much done. Just want to check our answer here. So what's inside the common is the first binomial, and then what's on the outside, the x minus 7, is the second binomial. The only thing left to do here is I just want to test it. So I'm going to just distribute using FOIL. So I have 5x squared. That's the first terms, and then I have minus 35x. Then I have plus 1x. And then I have minus 7. And these two combined are going to give me 5x squared minus 34x minus 7. And the check is complete and it's good.
That was easy.